Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88. And I'm here in this video to share a few things. Number one, my online tax preparation program that's designed to help people who want to learn the tax preparation skills, want to be able to make some money in the process and help supplement their income. Maybe they're not looking to turn into a business or nothing right now at this point, but if they can learn the skills to make some money to help supplement their income, that would be nice. We'll talk about that. Number two, the banner that you're looking at, Your Girl Step Perez Workshop, is a free workshop that's going to help educate and motivate and make aware of what's possible in the online space for people who fall in the category of being skillful, knowledgeable, passionate about something. And if they can turn it into a skill and make money from it, they would. And so if you're interested in learning how to make money from something you already know, you know what I'm saying? I know a young lady, she's good at helping people get jobs. She helped with resumes. She helped with interview questions. She helped with what you should be wearing. She helped with the process of what it takes to get a job. And I told her, if the job you work right now shut down, went out of business, then the next thing you would want to do as far as income is learn how to take what you already know, what you already been doing for people for free for years, and monetize that to start and make money from it. That will be the income you need to replace the job that went out. And so that's what I told her. And so if you fall into that category, then this free workshop is definitely for you. If you're a business in general, I don't care if you're service-based, retail-based, whatever base you are, it don't matter. The point is, if you're not leveraging the internet concerning your business, then you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table, and you don't want to do that. And so this workshop is here to educate people who fall into one of the two categories. Either one, you got a business already, but you're not utilizing the internet to build your business, to build your brand, to build awareness, to build know, like, and trust, and to position yourself to get clients that's looking for what you already have to offer. And so that's the power of the internet. If you get the knowledge and skills needed to go with the business you already have, then it's going to make you a powerhouse in your industry and in business in general, to be able to help you to be successful with the business that you already may have. Or if you're the person, like I just mentioned, who's knowledgeable and skillful or passionate about something, who might have been doing something for years to help people, and now you're made aware of how you can turn it into a business model that's going to allow you to make money from it, and you definitely be interested in it, then this workshop is definitely for you as well. You want to come out, register, Your Girl Step Perez /workshop, go to the page, read more about it. It's for free. Don't cost you nothing but some time and a commitment to learn and be educated on what it's going to take what's already in you and bring it out and turn it into a business model that's going to allow you to change your own financial destiny. You don't have to count on a job. You don't have to count on stimulus checks. You don't have to count on unemployment. You don't have to count on all these external things when it comes to your financial future, but being able to take what's already in you and monetize that to the point where now you generate income based on what's already in you. And that's a powerful feeling to have when you're making money based on what you already know. You don't have to go learn that special because you already had that in you, but now you got to go get some more education that's going to allow you to take that and leverage the internet with it, that's going to allow you to make the money from it. And so that's where the investment come in at. And what I'm going to tell you is that we talk about mentorship. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to cut to the point. We talk about mentorship. And so mentorship is the key to fast tracking your success. Mentorship is the key to helping you to get there faster, much quicker than what you can do on your own. And that's the key to that. I let my clients / students know that if you're working with me and you got people who start a new tax preparation business every year and they are making money, they're making more money than you, and you work with a mentor, that means one or two things are happening. A, you're not on top of your business, or B, I'm not on top of mine. And I guarantee you, I'm always on top of mine. So that means there's something wrong with you. And so there's no way you should be working with a mentor or a coach concerning your business, and you got someone who's not working with nobody at all, who's new just like you, but they're making more money than you. There's something wrong with that picture. And so my tax preparation online course is designed to help you learn the skill, you know what I'm saying, the basic tax preparation skills, and position you to make money based on that skill during the tax season. The tax season is right around the corner, so you still got time to learn this skill and position yourself to make money. I'm gonna teach you some basic marketing techniques that you can use to help you go out there and get clients. But the thing is, you must have the skill first in order to position yourself, even go get clients. And so if you're interested in learning how to prepare individual taxes and make money from it for the upcoming season. Like I say, go to my website, go to contact, fill out that form for me. I'm gonna reach back out to you and I'm gonna educate you and show you from the inside out instead of outside in what the tax preparation industry looks like and how it applies to you and how it can benefit you if you can see the opportunity for yourself through that tour that I'm gonna take you on when it comes to the tax preparation business. And so again, with my mentor, awesome workshop, free, don't cost you nothing but some time and a commitment to yourself to learn something that you don't know nothing about. You might have heard about it, you might be familiar with it, but you don't want to go by he say, she say information. You want to go hear straight from the horse's mouth what's going on in this in the online space as it relates to you taking the skills, the knowledge, or the passion you already have inside you that you can bring out and monetize and turn into a business model that's going to allow you to create income for yourself. And because the knowledge that you're going to learn from by investing in it is going to teach you how to go out and get clients that's looking for what you already had to offer. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about where I'm making my clients from, because you're going to learn that in the process of already knowing what you know when it comes to the knowledge and skills you already have. You know what I'm saying? I had a tax preparation business, and that's all I had when it came to start my own tax preparation company, because that's what I needed to start the business. I can't call myself having a tax preparation business and doing tax preparation if I didn't have the skill. So I had that much at least when I had got started, but I knew in my heart of hearts that I didn't have what it takes to take my business to a whole nother level, because I had a vision for my business years ago. And so I knew I wanted success. I knew I wanted to take my business to a whole nother level. And I knew that it was going to take for me to have to invest in myself with personal development, business development. And so that takes a commitment from you. That takes a sacrifice from you. That takes you making a acknowledgement inside your mind and your heart that you in it to win it no matter what. You in it for life. This is your new way of life. You're not going to let nothing get in the way. You're not going to have any excuses on why you didn't become successful inside the business you started. And so that's the type of mindset you must have when it comes to being in business in general. I don't care what it is. So if you're going to start a business and you say, I'm just going to try it out, then you're not going to make it. Because see, life is designed just for people like you who are going to try it out. Try it out or don't make it. You got to make a commitment from an emotional standpoint, from a mental standpoint, from a spiritual standpoint, that no matter what, I'm going to make this work for myself. And when you tell yourself that and you believe that and you go up and you act on that, then when life shows up, when things not going your way, you have the perseverance to make it through that, because you already made up your mind that no matter what, I'm going to make this happen for myself. And so that's what you have to do. You know what I'm saying? And when people are successful, it's not by accident. You know what I'm saying? The clients that I'm getting now, I'm not getting them by accident. That's my YouTube channel that you see right there. That's my marketing strategy that I use that's free on YouTube, that how I get my clients. People go to YouTube, they search a term that's similar to what I offer, they find my videos, they check me out, and they get to see if they want to work with me. And so I specialize in helping people who want to start their own tax preparation business. That's my specialty. You know what I'm saying? That's my jam. I make it happen. I'm the greatest of all time when it comes to that. You got people got similar programs just like mine, but they don't come close to what I do. And the clients / students that I have, I tell you that. They had other people they dealt with. They had other people that they met on their journey when it came to researching and finding someone who could help them start their own tax preparation business. But when it was all said and done, they chose me because I had the goods. They reached out to me, we talked, we connected. They knew from my videos that I had the skills and knowledge, and I verified it when I got on the phone with them that what I talked about in my videos, I was able to talk about it on the phone, and it sold them on, hey, that's the guy for me. And so when it comes to doing what I do, me having the skills already was the no-brainer part, but me being able to leverage the internet and take my business to a whole nother level, that skill and knowledge piece was missing. That was the disconnect for me. So I knew I had to be willing to invest in someone who had the knowledge, who had the skill that I can invest in to help me to get to where I want to go inside my business, because my dreams, my goals, my inspiration for my life was bigger than any excuse that I can ever bring up. Life ain't tough enough for my dreams and goals that I'm gonna give up on them. And so that's where you gotta be positioned. And from a mindset point / the way you think, to telling yourself, no matter what, I'm all in, no matter what life throw my way, I'm not gonna give up. And so a lot of times we'll fail, but that's the part of the process. That's a part of appreciating the success you're looking to get through failure. And so what I've done is I've created my own tax preparation guide. This guide I created that came within me, without me. You know what I'm saying? It was the 19 years experience, 13 years of business owner. I wrote this within 3 to 5 days. And the reason I didn't finish it in one day because I had other things to do inside my business already that I couldn't take the time to spend all the time just on creating this simple 18-page guide to settle tax service. You know what I'm saying? So I took a few days, I wrote it out, went over it, made sure it sounded right, and I passed it on over to my people. I passed it on over to my people who formatted it for me and made it look better than what I could do. And so I sell this book on my website. So if you visit my website and scroll down through my website, you'll see this book, which is a guide that I actually take my clients through to start their own tax preparation business. And the first 3 steps are the main steps that have a tax preparation business that I help you with first. Because if you can't start your own tax preparation business with these 3 steps, then you don't have a business. And that's the key to that. You know what I'm saying? So with this guide that I'm selling, it has some bonuses with it that will be discussed once you purchase the guide. And so when it comes to my online course, these are the lessons that I use. I don't go and do fancy because fancy is not what I'm about. I'm not going to spend extra money that I'm going to have to charge you for on the front end to pay for fancy. So I use Google Docs or Word program to create my lessons with, because it's all about the knowledge and the skills that I have that I'm gonna be able to guide you through the process of learning this information, which is all about. That's the big picture. So if you want the success that I'm talking about having by learning this skill and being able to start your own tax preparation business, then that's what it's about. Not fancy pages and books and things of that nature. I'm not with none of that. It's all about results. And when it comes to your mindset and personal development, Think and Grow Rich is an awesome book I'm reading. My boy Les Brown, You Got to Be Hungry, I'm reading. So that's under personal development. You know what I'm saying? Business development falls under the tax preparation skills that I'm learning more about in different areas that helps me to learn more about the skills that I want to have under my belt that's going to allow me to make more money and to reach more people. And so that's the journey I'm on. So if you're looking to follow me and go on a journey with me to be successful in business, and you know what business that is, and you might already have the business with you, but you don't have it fully up and running, or you not monetizing and leveraging internet, then again, you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table. Number 2, if you're skillful, knowledgeable, passionate about something, and you want to learn how to monetize that, turn it into a business model to make significant income for you and your family, and you're interested in what that looks like and how to make that happen, free workshop, yourgirlstuffperez.com/workshop. Go there, check out the page, read more, register, and I'll see you in my next video.